Many of us struggle with sleep, and it's never been harder to switch off and find the calm we need. Nightbuds by Cocoon are tiny smart earbuds that make sleep easier and more enjoyable. Working with an app, they use biodata to automatically adjust your audio as you fall asleep and provide personalised coaching to help you improve your sleep over time. Simply slip in these tiny buds and escape into your cocoon.
The beauty of Cocoon is it's continuously monitoring your sleep, so if you slip into bad habits, it will gently nudge you back in the right direction to improve your sleep.
Developed by our sleep scientists, you'll have access to a growing ecosystem of adaptive, data-driven coaching to help you become a great sleeper.
These are amazing. I love them. They're so comfortable. I can sleep on the side. The design, the comfort, 10 out of 10.
Sometimes you wake up in the night, start thinking about things, droning voice, I'm asleep again in minutes. It works really, really well.
It will really make a positive impact in your life.
Discover incredible immersive 4D soundscapes crafted to help you disconnect. Relax to your favorite audiobook or podcast, letting sleep sensors detect as you fall asleep, bookmarking your place and then gently fading out your audio. Sleep in peace as Nightbuds automatically mask disturbances to protect your sleep. Awake refreshed with insights and tips on how to maximize your day based on your sleep. For the last 7 years, we've been working on headphone comfort in bed. Our tiny, slim recess earbuds are incredibly slim, the softest you'll find. Sitting deep in the ear, you'll forget you've got them on even when side sleeping or rolling about. Tiny sensors monitor your biometrics, enabling your audio to automatically adapt to you and your sleep. Within the app, you'll have access to your very own sleep coach. You'll be able to understand how you're sleeping and, if needed, benefit from tailored nudges and coaching bespoke to you and your sleep.
Hi, I'm Tim, CEO and co-founder of Cocoon. We got our start right here on Kickstarter nearly 6 years ago with little more than an idea. Bringing our first product and all its new tech to market wasn't easy, but with determination and a lot of support from our fantastic community, we did it. We've since shipped over 30,000 products, garnered hundreds of amazing reviews, and best of all, helped over 1 million sleeps. We've received a huge amount of feedback from our backers and users, and we've carefully taken on board all these insights to create Nightbuds. So, join us, get more from your sleep, support our Kickstarter today as we take the next step in our journey to bring the world better sleep.
If you shoot photo or video, you know that lighting changes everything. That's why we created Tiki. Tiki is the reactive, animated, and wireless DMX lighting system made for creators. Tiki brings DMX lighting technology used on big budget films, TV, and commercials to the palm of your hand at a fraction of the price. Okay, now imagine a powerful, wireless lighting system that's sleek, durable, weather-resistant, and packed with animated effects, moods, and movie looks. Tiki will take your creativity to the next level.
Tiki's easy to use and the battery lasts the whole shoot.
Browse a library of animated and sound-reactive effects triggered by your phone or DMX software. Instantly apply dynamic mood lighting, perfect for photography. Movie Looks features complementary foreground and background lighting palettes. Pixel Map allows you to develop color palettes and effects using photo and video pixel mapping. Or simply create a custom scene by addressing hue, brightness, and color temperature.
Tiki gives me awesome lighting setups in just a few minutes.
Tiki is bright, with up to 700 or 1400 lumens of flicker-free, 90+ CRI-rated light. We designed a convenient, built-in, end-to-end mounting track for quick and easy setups. Tiki's long-lasting rechargeable battery gives you power on the go for 4+ hours, or power it continuously with Tiki's USB-C port. Back us today and save thousands of dollars on DMX lighting technology. and bring the creative power of Tiki to the world.
Fresh air is nature's gift of life. But with rapid industrialization and urbanization, we have deprived ourselves of the basic ability to breathe fresh air. Toxic air is now a global problem. Breathing in toxic air could cause side effects such as fogginess, increased stress, and even depression. While various masks on the market try blocking dirty air, they also restrict the flow of clean air, making it harder to breathe, ultimately making matters worse. It was here that we asked ourselves, is it possible to not only block toxic air, but also produce excess clean air in the process? This was how AtmoBlue was born. AtmoBlue is an innovative portable air purifier which protects users from air particulates while providing an enhanced breathing experience. AtmoBlue features built-in high-speed fans and continuously supplies fresh, filtered air to users. With over 150 hours of use per filter, AtmoBlue delivers 99.9% clean air around the clock. Replacing filters is easy. Simply swap out old filters using AtmoBlue's magnetic filter caps. In addition to advanced filtration, AtmoBlue features a patented strap channel design, providing a full range of motion, and comes with interchangeable designer skins to suit your style. We created AtmoBlue so that you can breathe freely, because breath is the gift of life. Today, we are asking you to join us in our mission to offer clean air for all. Over the past year, we prototyped and tested AtmoBlue. We received amazing feedback and even won a few awards. With your contribution, we can bring AtmoBlue to life. As a special offer, all backers who pre-order their AtmoBlue will receive discounted pricing on all accessories, including filter cartridges and skins. To make things even more exciting, all AtmoBlue masks come standard with built-in smart features. Once we break our stretch goal, the AtmoBlue app will be released, allowing for more enhanced mask features, such as automatic airflow adjustment, filter change notifications, local air quality index, and more. We're so excited to bring AtmoBlue to you and look forward to your support. AtmoBlue, clean air for all.
We're Ampere, and this is Shower Power, the hydropower shower speaker. Shower Power is a waterproof Bluetooth speaker that installs easily onto your existing shower head. It's powered by the water from your shower, so you'll never be without your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks. To us, using hydropower for a shower speaker just made sense. I mean, you're in the shower already, you might as well put that water to good use. Our hydropower system works like a water wheel in a dam. Before the flow from your shower reaches the shower head, it rotates an internal impeller, which is connected to a mini generator that charges a battery. The moment the water starts to flow, shower power starts to charge. And even when the shower is off, the internal battery allows for up to 10 hours of speaker use. In addition to being powered by renewable energy, the plastic components in shower power are made from 100% recycled ocean plastic, with more than 15 bottles in every speaker. Just because we designed shower power to be eco-friendly doesn't mean it's lacking in tech. For whatever you like to rock out to, shower power delivers big, immersive sound in your bathroom. Our own Soundwave diffuser delivers 360-degree sound, so you will always have great multi-directional sound no matter your shower type.
For those who want a little extra sound, we've designed a mini waterproof speaker that pairs with shower power called the Droplet.
We had the idea for shower power over 2 years ago and have been working towards this Kickstarter ever since. During that time, we have launched 3 Kickstarters and our community has grown to over 10,000 backers. With your help, we're excited to finally make shower power a reality.
So, if you want to amp up your shower game, please back our campaign and share it with your friends. Thanks.
Urban cyclists riding through the city face 2 problems. First up, helmets are freaking ugly. No wonder most people don't wear them. And at night, cyclists are almost invisible to drivers. So we decided to step up. This is Faro, a smart urban helmet that is sleek, minimalistic, and something you'll actually want to wear. We designed it to make you look good and to make you visible. It's got powerful front and rear lights. And our signature hidden light, 40 LEDs hidden beneath a fabric liner. Boom! All of them fully customizable through the Faro app. And because dealing with drivers sucks, Faro will feature an automatic brake light if you slow down or stop, and integrated turn signals through a handlebar remote, so you can signal your intentions to others on the road. This thing checks all the boxes. It keeps your head cool, is completely waterproof, and despite all its features, is still lightweight. Faro was designed to keep you safe, with MIPS available as an optional upgrade. And to top it off, it comes with a magnetic buckle to class it up. Talk about magnetic satisfaction. And who are we? We are Unit 1, a team of designers and creators with a knack for building cool stuff. We've already tackled snow sports with an awesome ski helmet, and after thousands of units delivered throughout the world, we are now moving on to the city. Help us make cooler helmets and safer streets with Faro.